Assalamualaikum all your India students. Once again, Mahmood Islam is in front of you. Today we are going to learn about the MCQs for the engineering test. Let's come. We start from the MCQs 46. A is a symmetric metric. Then A transpose is equal to up to so on. A, B minus A, and C 0, and D diagonal metric. So the answer is according to the definition of symmetric metric. So symmetric metric we have, this is the definition: A transpose is equal to A, and B transpose is equal to B, and C transpose is equal to C. So this is the definition for the symmetric metric. So the correct answer is A. The transpose of a rectangular metric is also dash diagonal metric. The rectangular metric and C as square and a scalar metric. So transpose is required. What is transpose? Transpose means rows change into column or column change into rows is called transpose of a metric. But here in rectangular matrix means here there are upper rectangular and lower triangular metric. So for example, we are taking one of the metric A is equal to 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 3 and 0, 2, 4, 5. So this is lower triangular metric. So look here, we will get here one of the triangle, this one, and similarly another triangle we are taking 2, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 3 and 0, 2, 4, 5. So the same, look here, this will get here, and one of the triangle, this is called upper triangular matrix. I is j for greater than, I is j from greater than, and here is I is less than from j. So there are two types of rectangular matrix. If we take the transpose of this one, we take transpose of this one. So rows change into column. Look here, we will get here triangle. We change this result. If similarly, if we change this result, rows change into column. So we will get here rows is 2, 1, 2, and here 0, 3, 4, and 0, 0, and 5. Here we will get the same results if we take the transpose, so that will also a rectangular metric. The correct answer is transpose of any rectangular metric is also a rectangular metric. For a square metric, A is equal to Aij. Aij is equal to 0 for I is equal to j, I is is equal to -1 for all I is less than j. Is not is equal to and I is equal to j, and aij is equal to 0 and aij metric and b square metric and c and d unit metric. Look here, for each square metric means order is same here, and aij is given that, for example, a is equal to 1, a11, a12, a13, and a21, a22, a23, and a21, and a31, and a32, a33. So this one is the main principal diagram. So Aij is equal to I is equal to j. So that condition is applied here. If Ij is equal to I is equal to j, so it means that here I and I is equal to -1. So this result is -1, -1, -1. The other results are 0, 0, and 0. So that will be a card. This will be 0, 0, 0. So we will get here 1, 0, 0, and scalar matrix. And scalar matrix we get here. Scalar matrix means that here the principal main diagonal values are same. Other values are 0. So that is called scalar matrix. For example, simple example we are taking here 2, 0, and 0, 2. So 2, 2 has the values of scalar matrix. Another example, if we are taking 1 cross 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, and 4, and 0, 0, 3. Look here the main principal diagonal values are same, so that is called scalar matrix. And f 2 lambda 3 and 1 for a non-singular metric is a non-singular metric. Then lambda can take all real values except for 3/2, b 2/3, c -2/3, and d 1/3. Look here, the given condition is given that is a non-singular metric, means that a determinant is equal to 0 and it's not equal to 0. For the singular metric, that will be for the singular metric, and it will be for the non-singular metric. Of any matrix, if we find the determinant, so the result is not equal to 0, as a is given there. So if we are finding the determinant is not equal to 0, here 2 lambda and 3 1. If we find the determinant here not is equal to 0, so that result is, we open the result according to the formula ad minus bc not is equal to 0, and here 2 into 1 and minus lambda into 3. So result is not is equal to 0. 2 minus 3 lambda not is equal to 0. And we change here 2 minus 3 lambda. So not is equal to 0. We will change this as 2 is equal to 3 lambda. Dividing both sides by 3. So result is 2/3. 2/3 is the correct answer. the number of the number of the number of non-zero rows, the number of non-zero rows of a metric is called null metric, and B square metric, and C ring metric, and D scalar metric. So according to the definition of rank of a metric, the number of non-zero rows of any metric is called rank of a metric. So this is the definition of rank of a metric. So the correct answer is rank of a metric. Question number 51. The rank of a metric A is the number of number of rows and its an echelon form is called one row, B zero rows, and C non-negative, and D is equal. And D non-zero rows. Rank of the definition of rank of a metric is the number of non-zeros is equal to the rank of a metric. So the correct answer is number of non-zeros of any metric is called the rank of a metric. So the correct answer is if a square metric C is equal to Cij. Square metric means order of same for that metric. So upper triangular metric, if the condition if we are applied A and Cij is equal to 0, is greater than J, Cij not is equal to 0, and I is greater than J, and Cij is equal to 0 and I is less than J, and D is equal to Cij is not equal to I less than J. So here given that in the upper triangular and upper triangulars here means that we are getting the value of Cij is I is greater than for j, but Cij is also equal to, that result is also equal to 0. So this result will be called upper triangular matrix. So the correct answer is A. This condition are implied a Cij is equal to 0 for I is greater than j. That is called upper triangular matrix. And upper triangular matrix means that if we are taking any matrix, so the result will be getting below the lower triangle. For example, 3, 1, 2, and 0, 0, 2, 5, and here is 0 and 4. So this will be called upper triangular matrix. I is greater than for j. So making one of the triangle below from that one in the condition are also applied. I is greater than for j. Homogeneous system of equation. Homogeneous system of equation has non-trivial solution. Has non-trivial solution. A is the coefficient of metric A. So what is the result? Determinant of A is equal to 0. B, determinant of A not is equal to 0. Of A less than 0, and D, determinant of A is greater than 0. So which condition for the homogeneous system of equation? Homogeneous system of equation is those type of equation. So the exponent of the variable must be equal to 1, and right side of the b values must be equal to 0. So that is called homogeneous system. And here is non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means that here non-determinant is equal to 0. So this is the definition for the non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. So a determinant must be equal to 0, or we can write this short determinant of a is equal to 0. So the first A result is the correct answer. Number 54. If a square metric, a square diagonal metric A is equal to Aij is a diagonal metric if what condition we are required. Aij is equal to 0, I is greater than j, and B Aij is not is equal to 0 and I is equal to j, and C is equal to Aij is equal to 0, then I is equal to j, and D is equal to Aij less than 0 and I is also less than j. So the correct answer is Aij and Aij. That will be correct answer. If we are applying for the diagonal matrix, I is not equal to j. That result I is not is equal to j. So that result and Aij are equal to 0. Aij are equal to 0. So that will be called diagonal matrix. So that condition are applied for this term. So here's diagonal matrix means that the main principal diagonal values. For example, we are taking one of the values, so 2 0 0 and 0 3 0 and 8 0 and 0 and 4. So this will be the main principal diagonal are not is equal to 0, and aij are other term are 0 0 0 0 0 0. So the main principal diagonal are not 0, so that will be called diagonal matrix. So this condition is applied because I is not is equal to j and aij is equal to 0. My channel, and step by step we are going, and please once again subscribe my channel.